If your sales cycle feels like it's dragging on forever, you're not crazy and you're not alone. Most businesses are accidentally creating long sales cycles by doing one thing: withholding the information buyers actually need to make a decision. I'm Amanda, and in this quick training, I'm breaking down Jeremy Haynes' 5 proven strategies to shorten your sales cycle, boost conversions, and stop wasting time on just curious calls. These are the same tactics that I've personally used to help businesses hit 6 figures months over and over again. Let's get into it. Number one is sales and trust assets. Sales cycles shrink when buyers feel confident. That confident, it comes from sales assets and trust assets. So think selfie videos from your reps or yourself before the call, short demos, case studies, and refund rates sent before the call. These aren't just bullshit, they're actual proof. You're building familiarity before the pitch. If you're in info products, this is super critical. Your buyer has likely been burned before, so show the receipts. Like, literally show the receipts. Number two is due diligence best practices. Most people turn their sales call into educational calls because you don't answer their questions up front. So instead, map out every question they're Googling: cost, timeline, results, risks, and answer them before the call. Not only do you control the narrative, but you stop sending your leads to competitors to get answers. Number three is confirmation page strategy. If your confirmation page says, "Thanks, we'll talk to you soon," you're missing a massive opportunity. Turn it into a binge worthy research hub, a welcome video with expectation. You're going to have breakout videos that answer frequently asked questions, transparent testimonials from real, reachable people. All this builds trust and warms the lead before they actually show up to your meeting. Number four is going to be hammer them with remarketing. After someone books, go freaking hard. Retarget them with short and long form content that answers objections, shares results, and reinforces urgency. This isn't follow up, it's propaganda. The goal is to eliminate doubts before they ever speak to a closer. Number five is ask for a timeline commitment. This one's simple but powerful. Ask your lead to commit to a decision timeline. You can try it like this: can we both agree to a 10-day window to get you everything you need to make a confident decision? Yes or no? It turns endless chasing into a clear, respectful agreement. Long sales cycles usually mean your buyer is underinformed, overthinking, or overwhelmed. Your job is to flip that by being transparent, helpful, and strategic before the pitch. If you want help implementing any of this or getting your pipeline super tight, shoot me a message on Instagram. I'm here to help. And please subscribe, stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next video.